Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the construction of a $660 million Greater Portmore Health Center. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The Greater Portmore Health Center in St. Catherine is being upgraded to a Type 5 facility with state-of-the-art features to enhance healthcare delivery to residents. Minister of Health and Wellness Dr. The Honorable Christopherson signed the $660 million contract and broke ground for the expansion works. The project is being undertaken as part of a $10 billion investment by the government in the development of health infrastructure across the parish under the Health Systems Strengthening Program. The program is a collaborative effort supported by international partners including the Inter-American Development Bank and the European Union. Dr. Tufton said the Greater Portmore Health Center expansion project will be a game changer in primary health care delivery. It will provide dedicated spaces for X-ray, oral rehydration, laboratory, isolation, asthma treatment, diabetic, physiotherapy, among other specialty areas. It will also include an administrative department with office spaces, training areas, a conference room, staff lounge, nurses station, and lunchrooms. The contract sum entails construction costs and equipment installation upon completion. Dr. Tufton said the project is an investment in the people of Portmore. We must ensure that we give all the critical support to ensure that the project is successful, because ultimately it is being spent for this community, he noted. He said that the project was designed to ensure for a more comfortable working environment for the health staff. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.